What's up, Cloud Life? It's Flow Nexus back again, give you another vlog. And today I'm going to a car expo, and I'm so happy. I'm so excited because I've been needing this, just to get out of the house, do something different. So now I'm here at this car show. Thank you, massive thank you to Vivian Ralena Williams. God bless you. You are a sweetheart for giving me, a chance to win this ticket. I appreciate this. I hope I hope you're doing well. Everybody subscribe to her. I'll link her information in the description box, her Twitter, her Instagram, all her information. So once again, thank you. And you guys enjoy this vlog, all right? Peace.
Production.
Alright, well, you guys, we are here at the car show, looking at these beautiful cars here, baby. Looks pretty good out here. What I like to see. Nice whips. One of these days, baby, when XRP moves, it's gonna be one of us. Already looking at the car I want. Woo. What's up, you guys? So it's looking great out here. Look at all these beautiful cars. Look at all these beautiful cars. So we're looking good out here. I'm liking what I see out here. One of these days I'm gonna have a car out here just because I could do that. But we're gonna wait for XRP to moon. It's looking beautiful out here, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I just want to do something different, and I was blessed by my friend to do this video. She got me tickets out here, so I appreciate her. God bless you, Vivian. Much love to you. You guys stay tuned for the next video, and you know what? Peace.